it's me, Mel, and thank you very much for being here again. And for those who are new here, thank you very much for stopping by. And for today, please join me in unbagging my December 2019 Ipsy Glam bag. So this one, this is a new subscription. This is not my original account. So this is a new account because I saw a freebie in my subscription addictions link. I think that's what, is that what it was? Yes, it was a link from, like, if you use the link of my subscription addictions account, you will get a freebie. So let's open this and see what's inside. Okay, so this is what I am talking about that really got me into getting a new account from Ipsy, because if you're a new subscriber, using that link you will get this palette, and this is the Violet Voss, what do you call this palette? HG fan sized eyeshadow palette. Very beautiful, and these are the shades. Okay, so let's open this, and there's like what, 10 shades here. Okay, so next time I will be doing probably an Ipsy versus Ipsy video, hopefully, okay, in the future. So this is how it looks like, same with the box. And the back though is only like that. So fun size eyeshadows. Okay, and there's a mirror. Let's cover the mirror, and this one, let's take that. And these are the beautiful, oh, what is that? See that thing in this shadow, in the shade? Oh my, it's like a nail, like a nail scratched it. That's how it looks like, huh? But still, this is a very beautiful palette. And should I swatch this? I'm not gonna swatch this though, because I think I have the shades already. So I'm not gonna swatch this because I can give this to someone, or maybe use it in the future, who knows. But right now I am not gonna swatch it because it's so beautiful. My gosh, I can't help it. But I'm just disappointed with this shade though, because of this mark. But that's what it is, and I am happy that I got this as a freebie for subscribing, and that's what it is. So let's move on to the bag. So the bag is like this. My bag for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I already gave it to a friend, and I put some like a Christmas, like, because we have what you call a Kris Kringle, and in that something we have a something shiny category. So I used the bag, and then I put some makeup also inside that's shiny, and this is how it looks like. My Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate hasn't arrived yet, so I don't know. Okay, so the first one here is, this is the sheet mask. So there's two sheet masks here. And that is so nice to get 2 sheet masks in a bag. I hope they consider this as one. So there's a refreshing, no, sorry. This is the firming pomegranate, and the sheet mask is from Glam Up. And the other one is the refreshing peppermint. And these are from, these are made in Korea. They're both made in Korea. Okay. So hopefully that's a first product, and these are full size. Okay, so that's nice. Okay, so for December 2019, the theme is Shine On. Sparkle, shimmer, and shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing all and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. The inside tells you what's in the bag. So these are considered one, so that's very good. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna be pulling out is, oh, okay. I think this is my second one already. I've got this before. And this is from H2O Oasis Hydrating Treatment. I hope you can see that. There. Here you go. And this is how it looks like at the back. So, how to use. After cleansing and toning, massage gently into face and neck, day and night. So that's how it is. And the order in which you apply skincare matters. Use this moisturizer after cleansing, toning, and applying your serum to make the most of its hydrating skin plumping benefits. That's good. This is my second one. I haven't used the first one that I received before. Okay. So the next one here is, ooh, is this a full size? So this is a cruelty-free and vegan cosmetic. So this is from Jolie. And this is the Luxe Cream Matte. Okay, so let's open this. Jolie Cosmetics Luxe Cream Matte in Lavender. Ooh, I don't know if I can use this shade though. I don't want to swatch this because I might not gonna be able to use this, and I don't want to waste it. I don't want to give it to someone and I've already swatched it though. But let's, ooh, oh, it smells so good. It smells so yummy. Oh, wow. Should I swatch it? I'm gonna swatch it. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to use the shade. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Look at the shade. That is beautiful. And it's a matte lipstick. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use this, but I think sometimes you can mix, you know, so hopefully I can be able to use this one. Okay, I like that. Okay, now that's our that's our third item in the bag. The next one here is, what is this? Oh, this is tiny. I didn't expect it to be this tiny. And this is from Tarte Cosmetics. And this is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party Dress. Okay. Ooh, this is tiny, like tiny, tiny. How am I gonna show? How am I gonna compare it? Like, see? Tiny. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty though. Like that. So this is the part shade blush. Should I swatch this? No, I'm not gonna swatch this because I'm definitely gonna give this to someone. Like my coworker's daughter probably. This is so pretty. Okay. Love that. I really love this bag. I'm so lucky to get this. Oh, another tiny thing. I didn't expect this to be this tiny. And this is from Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Face Primer. Use this primer before foundation and stash it in your bag to tone down shine during the day. Just tap a tiny amount onto your T-zone to instantly mattify. Okay, let's see how tiny this is. I like the packaging though. See, it's like that. You open it, and it's like that. So beautiful. And this is how tiny this thing is. And it's in 0.1 ounce. It's beautiful though. I'm still happy to get this. Sorry again for the noise. That's my husband. So, everything here in the bag I really like. And I'm gonna show you again the bag. This is how it looks like. Here's the Ipsy thing, and it's kind of green. Is that green? Yeah, that's dark green, right? So I really like it. So here's our 1, the Jolie 2. This looks like a full, no, this is not a full size, but it's a good deluxe size, deluxe sample size. 3, the moisturizer. 4, and this is the perfect one, 2 full-size sheet masks. So, and the best part is the free one, and that's how it is. So everything, I am happy with what I got. Again, for those who doesn't know, Ipsy Glam bag is $12 a month, and you will receive 5 deluxe samples, and sometimes you will receive a full-size product like a brush or like this. So what do you think of the box? Please let me know. Please leave a comment below, and please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell as well so you will know if I have a new video up. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video.